Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Lane to Labasna. So here in today's video I'm unboxing my delivery from Amazon. So I have ordered Lakshmikant 6th edition Indian Polity. So guys, this is Indian Polity M. Lakshmikant and 6th edition. So guys, in this book which I have just received, that is Indian Polity 6th edition from Amazon. So I have mentioned link in my description box. So if you want to buy, just get the link from my description box. So in this 6th edition we have little bit changes. Let's start the content of the new 6th edition Lakshmikant. So first we have historical background, second making of the constitution, third salient feature of the constitution, fourth preamble of the constitution, fifth we have union territories, then we have citizenship, then we have fundamental rights, then we have directive principles of state policy, then we have fundamental duties, then we have amendments to the constitution, and 11th basic structure of the constitution. Part 2 we have state of government, parliamentary system, federal system, center state relations, 15 interstate relations, emergency provisions. Part 3 we have president, vice president, prime minister, central council of ministers, cabinet committees, parliament, parliamentary committees, parliamentary forums, parliamentary groups, Supreme Court, judicial review, judicial activity, public interest litigation. Then we have part 4 state government, which includes governor, chief minister, state council of ministers, state legislature, high court, tribunals, subordinate courts, special provisions for some state. Then we have part 5 local government, which include Panchayati Raj, municipality. Then we have part 6 in which we have union territories, scheduled and tribal areas. Then we have Election Commission, Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, Finance Commission, Goods and Services, Tax Council, National Commission for SCs, National Commission for STs, National Commission for BCs, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Attorney General of India, Advocate General of India. Then we have Part 8, which includes Niti Aayog, National Human Rights Commission, State Human Commission, Central Information Commission, State Information Commission, Central Vigilance Commission, Central Bureau of Investigation, Lokpal and Local Investigation Agency, National Disaster Management Authority. Then we have Part 9, Other Constitutional Dimension, Cooperative Societies, Official Languages, Public Service, Right and Liabilities of the Government, Special Provisions relating to certain classes. Part 10th, which includes political parties, role of regional parties, elections, election laws, electoral reforms, voting behavior, coalition government, anti-defection law, pressure groups, national integration, foreign policy. And finally we have part 11th, which include only one chapter, National Commission to review the working of the Constitution. After this we have list of tables. These tables are very helpful for the preparation of UPSC. So in this new edition, some changes also took place in the list of table. So in my upcoming videos I will try to cover the difference between the 6th and the 5th edition of M. Lakshmikant Indian Polity. So keep updated yourself with Lane to Labasna. I hope this video would help you to get the knowledge about Indian Polity 6th edition M. Lakshmikant. We'll meet soon in next video. I have also mentioned my previous video links about syllabus organization and optional subjects. So if you are interested to see, just check out links from my description box given below. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel Lane to Labasna. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and good luck everyone. Bye.